Hi, I'm Grandma Val, and I just would like to introduce myself and share some things about me so that I can help you.
Do you have any children?
I have two amazing children. I'm a single mum. I ended up that he moved to another state, so I had to do a lot of things on my own. And, not a lot of money, so you sort of learn.
Do you have any grandchildren?
I have one grandson, gorgeous.
Where did you grow up?
Grew up on the Mornington Peninsula. We had a dairy farm in my younger years. We moved to the beach and I started sailing on a 30-foot keel boat. I was at the time, one of the only women who raced across Bass Strait. I started working in a marine chandlery shop, a camping store, and lots of other little jobs along the way. Then I started gardening. I have been now having my own gardening business for the last 30 years. And I've also have another business, which is a decluttering business. So I'm helping people declutter their homes. I've had many more jobs than that too, but I like helping people, and I like seeing the smiles on their faces when they've seen that they have a clean room or their garden is weedless, chopped back, whatever. It's a good feeling. So in saying that, I've also had experience. I've driven around Australia on my own, and I'd like to help you with a few practical hints in that direction too. I also have driven around New Zealand, Tasmania, and parts of the UK. I also find that when you want to learn, you ask questions, you listen, you watch, and you make lots of mistakes. And I have made so many, but that's the way you learn. I suppose the best part of being of this age is watching your children grow up and achieve their goals and try and help them, and hopefully I've given them some rounded hints along the way. I have to say that getting older, there has to be some positiveness about getting older. Thank you. Thank you for watching and listening, and I hope you get something out of the videos that will be coming up. If not, just a bit of entertainment.